About how can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for funny prank sounds app, or just click on search, then here add funny prank sounds, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage. So then you come to storage list here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.